Robert Otremba from Grinn company, and we are here at Embedded World to showcase our products and our design services. So here we have few demos that we are presenting. One is the robotized equipment for tracking the performance of the PCB's production. Of course, this is just a showcase, but this robot vision system and whole AI algorithm implemented there, it's based on our GenioSOM module. This is the evaluation board for this. GenioSOM is a system on module designed on MediaTek processor. So this is one of the demo that is demonstrating how it could be used in the real life. Another demo that we are presenting here is the new system on module that we created on the Synaptics SL2610 processor. And we implemented this in several products. One, it's a board that it's a Google Coral Synaptics evaluation board. It's based on our system on module. It's an evaluation tool to speed up the development process of small HAI models implemented on the device. But here is another example of how this module can be used in the small camera. Here is how all the PCBs are stacked to have an interface like Ethernet, HDMI out of this small device. And here is the industrial version, so Pico ITX standard industrial board based on the same system on module dedicated for industrial use cases. Another demos, we've been presenting this on other fairs. It's using AI capabilities for real-time tracking of the hand gestures. Of course, it can be used also with other applications, but we are showcasing how this can be used in the robotic area. And in case of new products, yesterday we announced another system on module based on the GenioSOM-360 processor from MediaTek, world's smallest solution, 30 by 30 millimeters, very powerful HAI system on module.
How powerful is it?
It has up to 8 cores, 2 cores Cortex A76 with 6 core Cortex A55 and 8 TOPS of NPU implemented on one system on chip. And here we are also presenting the ReneSOM, so the latest and also world's smallest system on module based on the V2H processor from Renesas.
All right. So you keep busy?
We keep busy.
And I see that you are in many booths around.
Yes. So this is only the setup. Very busy setup that we are presenting here at Grinn booth, but we have our demos are also at Synaptics booth, at MediaTek's booth, Virtual Electronic, Endrich, RS Components, and a couple of others that I don't even remember. But
so that means that your guys are spread out.
Yes. But our demos are visible on our distributors, but also on our partners. So then we can show our presence and also show our products in different places.
Why would you say all these partners want to work with you?
Because we are fast, we are agile, and we are bringing their products faster to the real customers' products.
You're bringing the technology in a good light, right?
Yes.
You're showing it off in a nice...
Yes, how it can be used. We are showcasing this. We are providing system on module, so it's a great simplification for the developers because everything that is complicated, it's done on this small piece of PCB. And with the proper software libraries, our customers can build their own device and they could implement their own software way faster instead of starting from scratch all the time.
And how good are your software engineers?
We are the best.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of. Does your guys do they use the AI tools to speed up the efficiency of their work?
Yes. Of course, we are also using this. We are going in the traditional way, but also we are using AI tools like probably
just
everyone
to work
right
faster.
now. Yes.
To do
faster, better, more efficient.